Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals. Come to you live from Asia, guys. Great time to be alive. I hope so for most of you out there. So we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, XRP, Bitcoin, and yeah, there's one analyst who's saying that Dogecoin could surge 1,000% and hit $2. So we're going to talk about that, explore that in detail. Out there. So, right now we're seeing there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt about the markets right now. Some people are saying that the bull run is over. And remember, typically the bull run will come to an end around about December, January. So is this the end? Have we hit the end of the bull run? We're going to be talking about that. Or is it going to be extended? So yeah, I know a lot of you right now when it comes to crypto are feeling pretty crappy out there. Not feeling so good. But you just gotta kind of take it, take it the way it is. A lot of this has to do with leverage traders being flushed out by market makers. As I said time and time again, they use the tariff news to kind of use that as a kind of a catalyst or a trigger to make that happen. So hopefully we'll see that things will improve. But now we're seeing that there was a lot of long positions. Now people are shorting the market, right? So, yeah, people just don't learn. It's like a crazy casino out there. So, guys, don't forget to smash the likes like crazy out there. Don't forget to go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it. And remember, none of this is financial advice. So let's jump into it. So yesterday we did see the U.S. markets. The Dow Jones was down. The S&P was up slightly, and the Nasdaq was up 0.5%. Remember, Nasdaq is mainly tech stocks. So what are we seeing for crypto right now? Once again, it's another red day for crypto. Not looking good at all. XRP is at $2.41. We're seeing Doge is around about 19 cents. We're seeing BTC is dropping again. Once again, I still think it's a good time to be buying the dips. Dogecoin probably could fall down a little bit more. We'll probably see BTC hit 109. And then from there, we'll see a market might reverse, guys, out there. So that's kind of what's happening. Looks like XRP build out near $2.40 could proceed sharp relief rally if whales ease pressure. So we're seeing that right now the future open interest for XRP collapsed 50% to 4.22 billion, and this signaling forced a deleveraging as market makers cut risk exposure with ongoing macro regulatory uncertainty. So what do we know? XRP market value dropped by 10 billion due to heavy institutional selling. We saw that. The crypto currency experienced 6% decline in price, falling from 249 to 241 between October 14th and 15th. We're also seeing open interest, right? So yeah. Price action summary, we have seen XRP collapse. There's been intense sell pressure, right? Support failed at 248, 250, triggering more liquidation drove price down. So technical analysis for XRP. So what are traders watching? Can 240 support? Let's see what happens. It's not looking good for XRP right now. It's not. And you can see another thing that's kind of driving me crazy is typically you'll see October is good. But right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is sitting at almost 2%. And yeah, this is not good. We had this happen in 2014, down 13%. We had it happen in 2018. But we should be in a bull cycle now. So this is kind of counter. It's just contradictory to what the move should be. And I think a lot of it has to do with geopolitical stuff that's going on and basically market makers taking advantage of. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I think we will have a recovery. I think it'll happen fast. I think November will be a good month. I think typically November is okay. It's okay, right? So hopefully we'll recover all the losses. So right now we're seeing the total market cap is at 377 trillion. We're seeing Bitcoin is down 1.28%. Ethereum is down. BNB is down as well. XRP is down 3.68%, 241. We're seeing Solana is down 6%. We're seeing Doge is down 3.84%. And it's just around 19.5 cents. So that's kind of like what's going on with that. If we dig deeper if you dig deeper, we're seeing right now the Bitcoin dominance. We're seeing ETF inflows are also negative today as well, $91 million worth of inflows. But we're seeing Bitcoin dominance is getting stronger again as a lot of people are like, licked their wounds, sold some of their altcoins and moved it into Bitcoin, because Bitcoin typically is less volatile, right? So we're seeing the volatility in the volume implied volatility. We're still seeing that Bitcoin is pretty stable when it comes to volatility compared to altcoins, right? Dogecoin is at 1962 right now. That's what's going on. We're seeing once again Dogecoin has slipped below this support level of 20 cents. Our next support level is around about 18 cents. If that fails, then we will definitely be going down to 17 cents. And if that fails, ultimately we will go all the way down to around about 9 to 10 cents. So, but there's some good news on the horizon. Dogecoin Bitcoin treasury firm thumbs up, Wade's paying in Doge rewards, so that is pretty good. Publicly traded digital asset treasury and advertising firm thumbs up. Media is considering integrating Doge reward payments for users of its thumbs up app, so that's pretty good. This is another testament to Dogecoin's positive utility as a payment system. Hopefully, Elon Musk, if you're watching, you'll wake up, Elon Musk, and you'll add Dogecoin as a payment to the X platform. We're waiting for that. There's been a lot of talk about that. Also, looks like Doge trading desk flows hits bottoming. Watch 21.4 cents flip for momentum trigger. So Doge followed a broader market liquidations triggered by renewed U.S.-China traffic tariff rhetoric, sliding 5% from from 21 cents, to settle at 19 cents right now, right? President Trump proposed 100% tariff, so we all know about that. So what we know, Doge fell 5%, tariffs. Institutional interest is noted near the 20-cent level. So I think that once we get below 20, which we are now, we should see more people buying the Doge, and hopefully that will help push Doge higher and higher. So that's good. Looks like Dogecoin price prediction: Doge eyes 40 cents as key support holds, and shakeout clears path for rally. So hopefully we'll get that, right? So according to this, after a breakout of both major and minor downtrends lines, Dogecoin retested these areas here. Okay, so we did see a retest here out there. And this area also coincides with resistance line for cup and handle formation. So we see a little bit of a cup and handle happening for Dogecoin on the daily. So hopefully, technically, we should be able to break out to 40 cents, but it depends, right? Looks like Trader Targan is saying that on-chain data reinforces a bullish outlook. Short-term holders have been actively buying the dip, which is good. I tell you about the dip, with the MRV Z-score and reserve risk indicating showing Doge is undervalued. So I think it's undervalued. So we should see a nice explosion for that as well. So yeah, and we've got the Nasdaq listing of Doge as well, which is pretty good out there. So not too shabby. So here we go. Dogecoin eyes potential 1,000% surge to $2 as meme ecosystem evolves. So that is pretty good. As of mid-October 2025, the crypto market is abuzz with optimistic predictions for Doge, with several analysts forecasting a remarkable surge. Let me just make this a little bit bigger. Remarkable surge that could see the original meme coin reach a $2 mark. This ambitious target represents potential 800 to 900% increase from its current trading levels, around 25 cents to around 25 cents, igniting fervent discussions among investors and enthusiasts. The project rally is not merely speculation, but is underpinned by the confluence of technical indicators, growing institutional interest, and enduring strength of the community. The Dogecoin community has always been strong, right? The potential breakup for Doge comes as a pivotal time for broader meme coin ecosystem, which is rapidly evolving beyond its initial joke status and it's becoming more of a utility, right, as a payment. While they're still characterized by inherent volatility, meme coins are increasingly integrating real-world utility, robust tokenomics, community-driven governance, signaling a shift towards greater sustainability. I remember the Doge has always been in the top 10, right? It's been there for years. The prospect of Doge hitting $2 is not only highlights a continued relevance of established meme assets, but underscores the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of the digital asset landscape in challenging traditional investment paradigms, right? Okay, so that's what that's kind of talking about. So market impact and price action. So Dogecoin's journey towards a potential $2 valuation is heavily influenced by a combination of technical analysis and fundamental market shifts. Currently trading around 19 cents, the path to $2 will require substantial influx of capital and substantial buying pressure. Analysts point to several bullish charge patterns and suggest such a move is within the realm of possibility. An ascending wedge pattern has been identified, typically indicating potential breakout to upside. Furthermore, RSI bullish cross on the monthly chart has historically preceded significant rallies, with the past instances witnessing price increasing from 340 to 445%. The long-term formation of a couple handle pattern since 2021. Also reinforces bullish continuation with Fibonacci extensions and everything. So yeah, so we're seeing that we have this huge cup of handle since 2021, and even though we're seeing things down now, I just think that October has just been delayed and it's going to happen in November. That's what I think, guys. That's what I absolutely think. So bottom line, current buzz around Dogecoin's potential 1,000 surge to $2 by late 2025 or early 2026 underscores the enduring power of community, brand, and speculative interest. Guys, comment. You think we're going to hit $2 by the end of this year or early 2026? Comment. So Dogecoin now posts for biggest return in 2025 analyst prediction. So more stuff is happening. The Doge weekly chart structure may be setting up for a classic Elliott wave, third wave pattern. So we can see this classic wave 1, wave 2 with a wave 3 breakout, right? So the chart posted by Cantonese Cat applies Fibonacci grid to a Dogecoin 2022 to the 2024 advance. Wave 1 on the graph with a 0.618 Fibonacci retracement anchored around 20 cents on the weekly time frame, and the mid-range of market about 0.5, which is 15 cents, and 0.32, which is 11 cents. So according to this, the left axis historical weekly candle shows Doge earlier cycle blow off, followed by a lengthy basing period near 0.5 to 10 cent zone. Which formed in mid 2022. So according to this Elliott wave pattern, if we break the old Fibonacci levels and hit wave 3, that means that Doge is primed and targeted to hit anywhere from $1.23 to $1.95. So yeah, another analyst is saying that we could see this big breakout from cup of handle. That's what it's saying, you know. Also, Ali is saying 0.19 is a mission critical for Doge. Keep it up, and 33 cents is our next stop. So let's keep on keeping on for that one. So right now we're seeing XRP is $2.41. Not looking good, right? Go every day. I'm posting Doge key news and developments for October 16th. So go to my X and you can read all about that. Try to keep you updated there. So Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is under a lot of pressure right now. I think that we're probably going to go down to 109. We could even go as low as 104 and then we'll rebound. I don't think we'll go lower than 104. That's just my opinion out there. Looks like, well, that being said, Bitcoin dominance, well, there's a big retest on the Bitcoin dominance chart after the massive flush. Technically looking pretty good for alts relative to Bitcoin. So this chart is saying that the Bitcoin dominance is falling, and this could be the time that alts could outperform Bitcoin. Let's freaking hope so, because I've got a big bag of XRP and other alts, and I need to make some money, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin needs to maintain the 112 to 117 range. If not, then we're going to collapse down. So right now we're below that. So Bitcoin is looking pretty weak now. So we could go down to 110, 108 level, according to this, right? Not looking good. Bitcoin does not move in a straight line. Remember that. We have these consolidations when we have a bubble. So right now we're at the bottom of this consolidation, and we can see a next bubble. The most recent liquidation event was too engineered. Usually this happens when the need to free liquidity and get your coins. So usually before a big pump. So I'm expecting a big freaking pump soon. Okay, I'm expecting it. So right now XRP just going sideways, not much happening there. Yeah, sideways. XRP, those who listens to the bullish news and still getting wrecked in a full-blown bull cycle. Macro textbook breakout, retest, ascending triangle, stop, listening to no noise from moonboys, keeping you poor. I called the bottom using TA, and I'm calling the top. So he's saying that right now we're in this retest, and then we're going to pump, guys. Hopefully this will freaking happen, guys. So according to this, we should hit like $10 for XRP. I freaking hope so. XRP structure is mirroring 2017 setup that proceeded at 13,000% rally. I think that in November, crypto is going to rally, and it's going to surprise a lot of people, guys. So that's kind of all I got out there. Be blessed, be well. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Peace out.